Hey guys, welcome to our next destination in the Thailand road trip, Kanchanaburi. And this is in the Thailand jungle, right on the river. It's beautiful here. Let's go check out the place we're staying at. So it's right on the water. It's actually floating. We can jump straight off there. And it's kind of rocky, isn't it? It's like moving a bit.
Yeah, this one got a good review and good location. It's close to Erawan Waterfall, which we're going tomorrow.
So we've just checked into the hotel and we're gonna buy some food, dinner, fruit and everything from the local market here before it gets dark. Hello. Oh wow. So this is saikrok or isan sausage made from fermented pork, very sour. Something you got to try if you come to Thailand.
You want to try first? You should try it, you like it.
Isan sausage, 2 baht each. Can't go wrong with this. Oh, hot. Really hot. Oh. Hot. Oh yeah. This is the way to go. Okay, we're setting up a dinner here. This is a mukata, which is a Thai barbecue with a grill on the top and a soup around the side. Probably the most popular meal you can eat for Thai people, just chilling by the riverside. Little beer. And in Thailand, always drink it with a bit of ice. Cheers. Oh, it's good. A major attraction here. We're off to the famous Erawan Waterfall. And there it is, the Erawan Waterfall National Park. 300 baht for non-local entry. How much was yours? 60 baht for, oh yeah, 60 baht for Thai locals. Okay. So welcome to Erawan National Park, home of the most beautiful waterfalls in Thailand. Let's go check it out.
There's 7 waterfalls in Erawan. To reach the number 7, I think the distance is about 2 kilometers. But because it's high up, so you feel like it's longer than 2 kilometers.
Okay, this is level 1. Level 1 of the waterfall. Looks like there's carp in here. Wow. Look at this. Look down here. Amazing. Oh, what are we up to now?
This is level 3.
Yeah, we could swim here.
Yeah, but there's a
4 and 5.
4, 5, 6, 7 for you to walk up. 1.3 kilometers to go. Let's go.
Wow. Pretty steep as well.
And now you have to go up there.
It's quite steep, hey, this one. Oh.
This is how you burn fat. Butterfly. Hello, cutie. Don't go too close. Look at how nature here.
Go on.
It's raining quite heavy now. You should wear like a hiking shoes or anti-slip shoes when you come to waterfall. Waterproof bag, just in case it rains, it will protect your stuff. And yeah, I have seen many people who's walking past us have to take their shoes off because it's gonna be wet, and it's not in the city. You're gonna be with your wet shoes for a while, so well prepared.
Don't wear thongs as well, because thongs aren't grippy enough.
Yeah, well, if you wear thong, you probably have to take off somewhere, and there's a lot of sharp stones and pebbles. And make sure you bring your changing clothes and towel.
Oh yeah. Woo, it's really coming down now.
Oh, and sometimes there's a lot of mossy. Bring your mossy spray with you, because some people really attract to mosses like him. Okay, we're almost there. I walk here.
Watch out for snakes. Looks like it's the final ascent. Just stairs and stairs and stairs. Are you hungry? Roast chicken, sticky rice? Oh, keep going. We made it to the Conqueror. Wow.
The level 7. Even though there's not much water.
Yeah.
But something you gotta achieve when you're here. And we will go down and swim down there. Because we
Very
deserve.
hot. I deserve a durian, a beer. Oh wow, the Conqueror's here. Woo. Wow. Wow. Look at this place. This is crazy.
Alright guys, welcome back. And we are still in Kanchanaburi. And this is a restaurant near Erawan Waterfalls and close to where we stay tonight as well. This restaurant called Pijo, I think. Somtum Ran Pijo. They don't have English side, I think. But if you visit Erawan Waterfalls and you get hungry, you can stop by here and have lunch. And I ordered half a chicken And this is wild boar jungle curry, or we say keng pa in Thai. And this is jungle somtum or somtum pa in Thai. Last dish is frog, deep fried frog. But they
Frog
do,
pieces.
Yeah, they do into like they chop into small pieces. Yeah, frog. I don't know what part of a frog, but so crunchy, so loud. I need protein after a long hike. Grilled chicken.
Fantastic. Oh, so this sometimes got snail.
Different types of
Snails in it.
somtam. Called somtam pa, which means jungle. They are like bamboo shoots, which you can find in jungle, and river snails. And they add rice noodles and papaya. And when they cook, they make it more like an intense flavor, more like fishy.
Wild boar.
Yeah. Check the skin. If there's a 3 hairs in one hole, that's the proper wild boar.
Oh. Wild boar skin.
The sun is about to set. Someone's eating. Nice, very nice. Just gonna roll around, check out someone else's property. Such a perfect weather. This one is like a connecting property. So the walls are connected. And I think I don't really like it. It's like no privacy. I think where we stay is quite private, right? Hello. This is nice one.
Sorry, lack of privacy.
Oh, they're drinking wine.